What's up, guys? Crypto Muser here. So yesterday Ripple shared its current market evaluation and that Ripple grew from $10 billion to a $15 billion in market value. That's a pretty astounding growth if you take in the fact that they are in probably the biggest securities lawsuit in history, with the SEC. I really think this is a telltale sign that Ripple's ready to go public after this lawsuit is concluded. So I'll start this video by just saying if you could please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notification. I'm really trying to grow this channel as best as I can, and I really appreciate all the support. So let's start with the video. So this is Eleanor Tourette, Fox Business reporter. She tweeted out yesterday that Ripple tells us business is booming despite SEC tensions, and this move really underscores the strength of their business model and the position in the market. So Brad Garlinghouse tweeted out this. Excited to announce Ripple bought back our Series C December 2019 shares at a valuation of $15 billion. 2022 slowdown is not in our vocabulary. Even with 2021 headwinds, it was our best year on record. And Ripple's financial position, $1 billion in the bank, is the strongest we've ever been. RippleNet is much more than cross-border payments. It's bringing crypto-native services such as liquidity to enterprises. Today, the network has a volume run rate of $10 billion. Huge props to the team for continuously upping their game and leaning into new capabilities every year. RippleX, full speed ahead on establishing a multitude of capabilities to the XRP ledger. NFTs, CBDCs, interoperability bridges, sidechains, and so much more. Working hand in hand with developers and partners around the world. It's a multi-chain world after all. So, pretty bullish, honestly. So, like I said before, the fact that Ripple is buying back the Series C investments is definitely a sign that Ripple is trying to show its strength with $1 billion in the bank, as Brad Garlinghouse said. That really shows the market that Ripple's business is working, and obviously working well. So I see this as a bullish thing for the lawsuit, because if you ask me, because if you're telling me Ripple is getting ready to IPO, that means that the lawsuit is coming to its end soon enough. And so fingers crossed, guys, but definitely big news for crypto and big news for Ripple for sure, and Ripple's future. So moving on. So this is Ron Hammond. He is, I believe, the Director of Government Relations at the Blockchain Association, and he tweeted out this. It's finally official. On February 8th, the House Financial Services Committee will have its second crypto hearing focusing on the PWG report and regulating stablecoins. This will be a full committee hearing like the crypto CEO hearing. So great news, great to see Congress having these hearings, because this is the second one, I believe, in the last couple of months. The most important thing about these meetings is this is where Congress can get better educated on certain aspects, of the market. And also gives us a glimpse on which congressmen or congresswomen are against crypto. And that gives us a chance to vote these haters out, And like I've said in the past, these midterm elections are going to definitely be, a lot to do with crypto. Midterm elections aren't really paid attention to by most voters, but unless there is a good enough reason to get the electorate out there to vote and out to the polls. I believe the crypto community, will let their voices be heard in this election. And, I'm looking forward to seeing what happens with all that, because, I believe the crypto community as a whole is strong, and I believe they will go to the polls and vote these haters out. I hope they do. Moving on. So along those lines, this is Patrick McHenry. He's a congressman, Republican from North Carolina's 10th district. He tweeted this out. It's critical that we carefully evaluate the current regulatory environment for digital assets like cryptocurrencies and work to provide additional clarity for innovators. These decisions should be made by Congress and not regulators. Exactly. This is exactly what we need to be hearing from our congressman. And this guy, Patrick McHenry, definitely a good guy for crypto. And this is the type of person that we need moving forward in Congress. So, I really think he has the right thing. America innovation is being hurt by regulation and hurt by the SEC. So, it's up to us really to, vote in the right people. And obviously Patrick McHenry is one of those people. Moving on. So the next thing I saw, this is Dictator Know-It-All. Really funny guy. Posts a lot of good things on Twitter. He posted this: President Biden wants to align crypto regulation with the rest of the world. XRP not a security? He says it's freaking bullish. Well, so this executive order by Biden is supposedly going to be signed, I believe, in early February. And it could give us, some regulation and guidance in the market. But, signs say that it probably is going to be bearish, but, we can hope, right? And this is a video that, Dictator Know-It-All says that, he put this out, I think it's on Yahoo Finance, and that it gave us a little glimpse on what we could expect maybe, what's going to happen in this executive order. So maybe giving us a little hope. So we're going to watch this video and see what you guys think.
Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live, everyone. Bitcoin is attempting to find support. It's in the green today. That's after falling to 33,000 to start off the week. And the broader crypto market, even amid some of these broader declines, they may alter the White House's plans for regulation. Here with more, we've got Yahoo Finance's own Jen Schonberger. Jen, what can you tell us about this?
Yeah, hey there, Brad. Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency complex rebounding this morning off the lowest level since last summer, just as the Biden administration is prepared to release a brand new government-wide strategy to regulate cryptocurrencies. A Biden administration official tells me they will release a National Security Council memorandum as soon as early February that will task federal agencies with assessing the risks and opportunities that crypto poses. It will delve into the details of the central bank digital currency, the impact of digital assets on financial stability, and normalizing regulations for crypto with other countries. The action, first reported by Bloomberg News, comes as agencies across the government examine new rules for crypto. Last fall, the Biden administration released recommendations proposing that only banks be allowed to issue stablecoins. Jared Seaberg, an analyst at Cowen, called the administration's expected actions, quote, symbolically significant, as the White House would be acknowledging that crypto was becoming economically important and is here to stay. And while crypto may be rebounding today, investors might want to put on their seatbelt. Matthew Howe, the CIO at Bitwise Asset Management, says that the market is pricing in a very bearish executive order. He says this is contributing to volatility in the crypto markets, and that volatility will be the name of the game between now and when that order is released.
So, she said at the end there that maybe people are thinking this is bearish and that's why the market's doing bad, but we all know why the market's doing bad right now. It's it's more of a world issue with the inflation scares and the Fed chair coming out saying he's going to higher interest rates, but he did come out today and said he's not going to hire those interest rates. So we'll see what's in this, obviously in this executive order, but if they're saying they want to be in line with the rest of the world with regulation, the rest of the world doesn't see XRP as a security, doesn't see Ethereum as a security, doesn't see most cryptos they don't see as securities. So, regulation is much more clear in other countries. So if he's trying to be more in line with other countries, that's bullish. But, knowing, the Democrat way of doing things, we shall see, I guess, guys. We can cross our fingers. But just want to end the video with this. I try to put this in every video, but I just think it's so important. So TAIG put this out. Stop what you're doing for 30 seconds. We need everyone. This is the cryptolaw.com connect to Congress option. You can sign a petition to start a lawsuit against the SEC, or you can just write your Congress people and let them know that, this regulatory overreach will not be, it won't stand by the people. So just wanted to throw that out there just to, keep, pound it into you guys, because this is the only way that our voices can be heard. So, end the video there. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say or write as financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And thanks, guys. And we'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Peace.